Hello, and in this one, we are installing LXQt, lightest desktop environment you can get. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe and leave a like if you do find this video helpful. Let's get right into it. So first of all, we can do sudo pacman-syu just to get everything updated, so we don't have to deal with that. But if you don't want to update everything, just remove the u and you should be fine. Anyway, first we need LXQt itself. So LXQt. So this should be the basic things we need for LXQt. Now keep in mind, this does not include a file manager or terminal. We need to install those separately. But first of all, let's get these installed first. So just hit enter, and it should install everything. Just wait for it to install, and while you're at it, make sure to check out our shop to support the channel. If you want a cool Arc Linux Leafpad for your minimal setups, or maybe you just want a clean look to your desk, make sure to get one. It will really help the channel a lot. And also, you can, if you don't want anything, you can just go to the donation sections and just donate to the channel. So there you go. Now that is done. So let's get a few essential applications. So we can do sudo pacman-s. First, let's get a display manager. If you are using LXQt, I can assume you're going for a pretty lightweight system. So we can go with LightDM. Make sure to get LightDM-gtk-greeter. So make sure to get this, or else LightDM won't work. Then we can get PC. So this is basically our file explorer. Then we need a terminal. So for LXQt, the default is qterminal. Again, you can get any other terminal. This is Linux, so you can configure anything with any other thing. And for audio, obviously make sure to get pipewire and wire plumber. So wire plumber, and then for archive management, I'll just go with Arc, and make sure to get a browser in case you need to troubleshoot something. It's better to just get everything installed here, so you don't have to worry about it after you have installed the system. So there we go. Let's get everything installed. Now with that done, we just have to enable LightDM, and we should be able to get into LXQt. So let's go with sudo systemctl enable LightDM. Now again, we can do -- now, but I am assuming you're doing this with the raw Arc install. And since both methods do work, I'll just do this and then just reboot the system. It's better to reboot your system once you install a bunch of packages, just to get everything in order. It's just the best practices. It doesn't make too much of a difference, but it's good to do. And there you go. Now we are booted into our system. We can just go to the login into our password, and it should boot into LXQt. There we go. Now we have to change our desktop preferences. So we can go to preferences and monitors, and there you go. We can change our resolution from here. There you go. Hit apply, and there you go. Yes. So that is our LXQt desktop environment installed and up and running. So also we have our audio right here, and that should be about it. That should be enough to get you up and running with LXQt. Make sure to leave a like if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Get something from the shop, please. Bye.